All right, moving on to
Let's do it.
hip hop,
Yeah.
rap. You know, just a couple days ago, rapper
Yeah.
Young Thug,
Yeah.
rapper and label owner Young Thug, along with a lot of his crew in
Yeah.
YSL, also Gunna,
Yeah.
have been arrested and charged with a lot of different charges,
Man.
and they are involved in a RICO case.
Yes.
So, one, have you read on it?
Yeah,
Have you heard about it?
man.
Have you heard about it?
Yes. Yes.
So, like, what's your initial take on it?
So, from a music standpoint, I don't listen to none of Young Thug music.
Right.
Right. That's besides the point, though. I think it's unfair. I seen Metro Boomin make a tweet, and he was just like, "YSL is not a gang." The number one headline was like, "The gang YSL is involved in racketeering, involved in murder. All these criminal activities from, a buildup of cases over years of evidence."
Mm-hmm.
It made me think like, wow, if they have the evidence, they got to prove it.
They got to prove it.
They got to prove it, right?
What's your opinion on using rap lyrics in the courtroom to aid and help in the indictment of rappers?
It's a faulty line for me, bro. Cause I
How
feel
so?
like a lot of us rap is speaking about what you go through, what you've been through, where you come from.
Mm-hmm.
It's experiences put into words, and it's a wordplay on music. And so the realness of hip hop is those true stories.
Right.
But when you're speaking about somebody who has committed a crime against somebody, a murder, and they connect the dots with actual evidence, I don't refute that. That's the federal and state officials doing their job.
Right.
But it makes it a scary place for artists.
For sure. Because rap and music is supposed to be entertainment.
So the entertainment part of it, yes, for sure. It's becoming a theme and a trend. Because it's not just Young Thug who's been locked up. You got YM Melly, right?
Right.
You got Pooh Shiesty. And a plethora of other rappers who are in jail right now in this present moment from lyrics that they have been used as like collateral damage.
Right.
But to label them as a RICO case and the name Young Thug as the leader of YSL and the word semantics on the wordplay as them not being a business entity to labeling them as a gang, I think it's unfair. I don't think the case is going to hold that much weight. I think it's still new. I think once it goes to trial, if it goes to trial, I see Young Thug probably getting probation. We'll see.
I think a lot of them guys are gonna do jail time.
Oh yeah.
But, I hope I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I want to read you his Metro Boomin tweet.
Probably the one I saw. Yeah.
He said, "Using song lyrics to indict niggas is lame and a joke. These are same lyrics that have made billions for these corporations over the past decade. I'm awaiting now to see who gonna step up and use those same resources now that the coin has turned."
It's interesting, bro. It's interesting.
What's your take on that? Because I feel him.
So Metro Boomin, he's making a great point, right? These labels, they sell
millions.
trauma. They sell trauma.
Yeah.
Okay. If your song is about killing another black male, they're all for it.
It's gonna go.
They all for it.
Yeah.
So they're selling trauma. And music is so influential. Even from the cars we drive, from a Hellcat to a Scat Pack to a Track Hawk, the music to having a child boy, what kind of gun you get, how you dress, everything is based off the entertainment business, right? And a lot of these rappers are giving us the blueprint and the recipe for that.
Right.
A lot of these kids don't know no better, so they feed into it. And a lot of the rap don't even be real. Excuse me for a second. It's an interesting concept because a lot of it is wordplay and it just sound good.
Right.
It's just words of abuse of a music. So many lyrics talk about killing people, and I don't think now one rapper has ever, it's studio gangsters as they say, right?
Right.
We could take that back to NWA and to the Chronic and to Death Row. It just sound good on records, right? We have seen Corrupt, we have seen Dash, we have seen Snoop, and Tupac say all kind of music words about killing somebody on wax, right?
Right.
But it wasn't real. So I'm interested to see how can they filter out what is real and what is fake, and what evidence do you have to figure out what is real and what is fake. And with that being said, it makes me realize how much weight can those lyrics really hold in a court of law, right? How much of those lyrics is conjecture? It was just wordplay and music,
right?
And how much is actual facts of what happened in your hood? I don't see it as being substantial,
right?